I'm Chandini and welcome to a new video. So I was recently sent some goodies from Lakme and I've decided to review them in this video. The goodie bag includes a blush, an eyeshadow palette, iconic kajal from Lakme and also a lip balm. So I'm going to create an eye look how I actually do my makeup like on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to start with the concealer. I'm going to pat on a lot of concealer. I truly believe that the coverage you give to your eyes, the better it is. The one I'm using today is from LA Girl in the shade beige. So these LA Girl concealers have like this small brush attached to them, so I normally use it. So I just apply concealer using the same brush. Then I use my fingers to kind of see that all area is covered. And then we let it dry. Next I take my beauty blender. Any makeup sponge will do. I just very lightly dab it over my eyes. The sponge tends to take any extra product. Please pat in light motions, it's a must. I love to wake up next to you. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I'm going to start with this brown shade at the bottom. And as I told you guys, I'm going to use my fingers for most of this part, especially because these eyeshadows are not matte eyeshadows. They kind of are foiled eyeshadows, give most payoff when used with fingers. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my fingers and apply this brown eyeshadow all over my lids. Once I've covered the entire area, what I'm going to do is that whatever product is left on my finger, with that I will go in and just blend the last bit, the last line, wherein you see a difference between your concealer and your eyeshadow. We're going to diffuse that and we're going to kind of blend it in the way that you don't get to understand where your eyeshadow begins and where it ends. Guys, do pay attention to the fact that I'm only trying to diffuse the last line, the edge of the eyeshadow. I'm not touching any other bit. Just for flawless blending, I'm going to go over again with this brush. This one is from Real Techniques. And for this part wherein the eyeshadow meets the rest of the face, I like to diffuse it using my beauty blender, patting in soft motions. Next I take some of this yellow from the palette. I was trying to see if using more colors would make a difference, so just going with the flow here. So first I make sure that all the product is on the lid. Whatever eyeshadow I took, the yellow one, it's on the lid. Now I've placed it in the center of my eyes, and next I'm going to clean my finger and try and blend the yellow part with the brown one. Again, just the edges of the yellow color. Next I go in with the Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil. As the name says, it is kind of iconic because I think it is amongst one of the most used kajal pencils in our country, and it's pretty good for the price. Once I've applied the kajal on my waterline, I then go in with a smudging brush. This one's from Morphe, and I'm just going to smudge my kajal. I'm not using any other eyeshadow right now. I'm just using this brush and I'm going to smudge my kajal. Next guys, I try and incorporate more colors. I'm taking this green, olive green color, use my kohl furthermore, give it a more natural, well blended, smudged out look. I'm an absolute fan of seamless makeup. I'm not a fan of where you can see where one makeup product starts and the other one ends. So I like makeup wherein everything is seamless and well blended and all put together. So we're going to try and do that here. Just by smudging of kohl, you see that the look kind of comes together. It looks more put together than a crisp liner or something like that. Next, I was not sent a mascara, so I'm using mine. This one's from MAC. I'm going to put the exact name down below and I'm just going to use it. I take my time when applying mascara. I feel like many coats of mascara just changes your entire makeup, your eye look especially. And a pro tip that I would give you guys is that when you are applying your mascara, make sure that you cover your bottle with your thumb. So this makes your mascara last longer. Your mascara won't dry as quickly as it normally would. I take a lot of time to apply my mascara and I do the same with lip colors. So yeah. You can clearly see the difference between your eyes with and without mascara. The one with mascara looks more inviting, more vibrant than the one without mascara.
All in a pillowcase, cause the room next to us can hear every day. And I ain't slowing down, she can't even get a break. My head game good, let me educate. Roll up, roll over, then regulate. You find this fucking fuck whoever said you ain't. I aim to please, I plan to taste. I came, but she done came out 8 times and I don't plan to stop. She climb on top and set my clock to 6 till 9. That's place time. I just wanna thank the Lord for good weed and good women. We gon' have a great time, work through the grapevine. This great minds think alike, so I think she's staying all night. Yo, I'm trying to go to war with this shit.
Next we go in with blush. The blush, this is a duo blush from Lakme. It has a nude and a peach kind of shades. So I just use my blusher brush. This one's again from Morphe, and I just swirl my brush through the blush and apply it to my cheeks. Another thing guys, I like applying my blush in a patting motion or a slide motion. I don't like using the circular motion like you would see in movies. You'll see actresses doing like curling their brush and applying blush. I think that's really funny. You should not do that. Anything that might move your base, try and avoid that. So I like to go in with like patting and gliding motion. That's all for this look guys. I hope you like the look. I'd already applied my base and done my eyebrows. I think it was obvious. Thank you Lakme India for sending these goodies over. Guys, you must check out my Instagram. I go by the name Just Chandini, or you could also check my makeup page, which is Makeup by Chandini. I am a professional makeup artist. I give away most of the makeup that I receive, and I also host monthly giveaways on my channel. Bye.